Maplewood Schools was built at the turn of the century. Connecticut Housing Partners purchased this property about 20 years ago, and we had rehabbed it at that time. And then in 2012, Hurricane Sandy came in and demolished the whole first floor units of this particular building.
Oh, it was terrible. Water came in from everywhere and also other stuff, but the bathroom, everywhere, there was water coming in from all parts of the apartment.
It has taken us 8 long years to be able to raise the funds that we need of $9 million to completely rehab this property.
For me, I was looking at projects that can deliver sooner rather than later. And this was an easy one. It's a rehab. It has people living in there, and talking about having people to live in a safe, decent place was something that I just couldn't have it to be there for many more months, but pushing my staff and the Connecticut Housing Finance Authority to be able to close and to start the construction.
We're going to be putting on a new roof, repointing all of the brickwork, brand new windows to maintain the historic nature of the building. The interiors of the units will definitely be completely gutted and rehabbed. New kitchens, new baths, new flooring, painting. The individual boilers and heating units will be replaced. The hallways will be enhanced. Also, the common areas will have air conditioning, which historically they have not had. And then our community room for the residents will be rehabbed as well. There will be about 125 to 150 people living at this particular development, and it will be all families. So many of the people living here will be children.
I couldn't be happier that we've actually broken ground on this, that we're moving forward with this. You know, this property is historic in Bridgeport. You know, these schools buildings are gorgeous, and they need the care and love that the buildings need. So, you know, the renovation that's going to happen at these 2 buildings to provide 32 units of nice, new, clean, safe, affordable housing.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how the new apartments look. Rent in Bridgeport is pretty high. I mean, it means a lot. It gives me a peace of mind knowing that I have an option to look for affordable housing and I don't have to depend on anyone else but myself.